Hi, I'm Matt Ellsworth with Echo Incorporated, and I'm here today to talk about preventive maintenance with your chainsaw and how to keep it running like new season after season. The purpose of maintenance is to ensure your chainsaw operates safely and efficiently. Before each use, inspect your unit for damage, cracks, leaks, and loose fasteners. Check and tighten if needed all nuts, bolts, and screws. Comply with manufacturer's recommendations for service and maintenance. Clean dirt and debris from the body. While wearing gloves, remove the bar cover, bar, and chain. Clean the bar cover and chainsaw body with compressed air or a brush. Be sure to wear eye protection if you're using compressed air. Be sure to clean around the clutch area also. Remove the starter cover. Clean dust and debris from around the flywheel and starter cord area. Inspect the starter pull cord for frays. Replace if damaged. Replace the starter cover. Remove the air filter cover and put the choke in the on position to prevent contamination of the carburetor. Remove the air filter and then inspect for damage or holes. Clean according to manufacturer's instructions. Clean out the airbox with compressed air or a brush. Remove the cylinder cover and clean the engine fins with a brush or air. Inspect spark plug to ensure electrodes are clean. If damaged or excessively dirty, replace. Inspect chain brake to make sure there are no broken components and the handguard is secure. Inspect the chain drive sprocket and replace it excessively worn or damaged. Inspect the chain catcher to make sure it's secure and undamaged. Check the bar for straightness and replace the bar if bent. Clean out the rails of the bar with a rail tool or compressed air. Use a flat file to remove burrs along the bar rail. You can also clean out the oil hole in the bar with a small screwdriver or compressed air. Check the chain sharpness and sharpen if dull. Reattach the bar, chain, and bar cover. Check the chain tension and tighten or loosen as needed. Once unit is reassembled, start the unit following the manufacturer's starting procedure. Check chain brake function by accelerating the saw to full throttle, then activating the chain brake. The chain brake should immediately stop the chain. With the chain brake off, the chain should not turn when the unit is running at idle. If the chain is moving during idle, see a technician for appropriate adjustments. Test the oil pump is lubricating the chain by positioning the bar tip near a light surface, and accelerate the engine. Oil splatters should appear on the surface. And that's how easy it is to maintain your chainsaw and keep it running efficiently and safely.